my bike. I have animal grips, fit bars, stock brakes, stock cable.
No.
Oh yeah, it came with a gyro. Got a cable for it. Don't know what it is. Got an S&M Flexco Redneck Extra Large upside down front load.
Check it.
Got a Fit headset. A Colt headset off my friend's stock bike.
Fine.
And a Fit fork stock. Not that cool. And all stock rims, all stock tires. Not that cool. And then I got a whatever it's called, snafu pegs. I really
No.
I like them, I guess. Haven't really rode them for that long.
Few days.
Yeah, a few days. I tried to grind them once. I got a snafu metal pedal.
Oh yeah.
That's some snafu stuff. Yeah, here you go. Stock cranks with a Colt sprocket that is not put on right, so it wobbles a lot.
Getting a new one too.
Yeah, getting a new one, probably get a shadow one. And then I got, Colt OS.
I love how you forgot about
20.5,
that.
that's like the only thing I got from I forget. And then got stock brakes. Pretty cool, I guess. And I got a Colt, complete seat. I don't like it, I'm just using it until I buy my new one.
And new seat post.
Yeah, and then I got a stolen seat post. I like it, except the only problem with it is
Is it tight? Yeah, you can turn it.
Yeah, what happens if it's tight and you try to and it slides, it'll shave off the plastic. So,
And now it's really loose.
yeah, and it screws up and yeah, doesn't matter how tight I do it.
Yeah.
And then I got a cool chain, all stock back rim with stock tires. And then I got a snappy peg.
This is cold.
Like the other one here. And then,
Snap it back in the back.
yeah. Oh, and then I have some tips for flange cutting. Use a saw. Trust me, it works really good.
It's a clean cut.
It's a clean cut, yes, I know. Use a saw. Oh, forgot. Animal plastic bars.
So important.
Okay.
That's so much faster than my bike check. Now, check this move out. Get my skate on really quick. Pop shove it. I got this.
Yeah, you didn't do it.
I can do it. I did it once.